Hello guys, in this video we are coming to learn how to simplify or rationalize set. So in this video I'm coming to make it very easy for you to understand how to solve for set and made it very easy and for you to understand and teach you the tricks that are involved so that you don't end up doing the common mistakes. The mistakes that are possible to occur in this solving for set, I will teach you and lay emphasis on that for you to understand and know how to use these tricks effectively. So I wish you guys to be with me throughout this video for us to understand. If you don't understand anything, you can just prompt me under the comment section and I will attend to each and every comment. Thank you guys. So let's move ahead and solve for this simple set on the board here. So 2 plus root 3 over root 3 minus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 over 2 plus root 3. So here, if you look at this term, these are separate terms, different terms altogether, two different terms here. So we realize that the denominators, the product of the numerators does not give a difference of 2 square. Someone will ask me how, or how do you know that the product here does not give a product of the numerators does not give a difference of 2 square? If you multiply these two denominators, you end up not getting a difference of 2 square. So we have to solve for this term separately. So we pick the first term and the second terms. So first we pick the first term 2, and we pick the first term and solve for it, correct? And then pick the second term and also solve for it separately. So we rationalize it separately. That is the term. We rationalize each term separately. So we pick the first term 2 plus root 3 over root 3 minus 1. This give you equal. So for us to rationalize this set here, we need to know the conjugate set. We need to know the conjugate set. How do you find the conjugate set here? To find the conjugate set, if you look at the denominator of the set, if the sign here is positive, you need to change it to negative. If the sign here is negative, you need to change it to positive. If it is positive, you need to change it to negative. And we multiply the conjugate set by both numerator and the denominator. So that is how we solve for the set, or we find the conjugate set. So when you find the conjugate set, you need to multiply by numerator and the denominator. And if the sign here is negative, you need to change it to positive. And if it is positive, you need to change it to negative and multiply it by both numerator and the denominator. So we move ahead. 2 plus root 3 multiplied by the conjugate set root 3 plus 1 all over root 3 minus 1 times root 3 plus 1 equals 2 root 3 times 2 times root 3, or root 3 times 2 give you 2 root 3 plus 2 times 1 give you 2. So here root 3 times root 3 give you root 3 square, root 3 times 1 give you root 3 all over root 3 times root 3 give you root 3 square, root 3 times 1 give you root 3. So negative 1 times root 3 give you a negative root 3. Negative 1 times positive 1 give you a negative 1. So that is it. So we move ahead and then add the like set. So addition of the like set. So 2 root 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus root 3 all over 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So you find out that root 3 square give you 3, and root 3 give you root 3. Root 3 square give you 3, and positive root 3 minus root 3 give you 0, so minus 1. So we add the like set here. 2 root 3 plus root 3 give you 3 root 3. 2 plus 3 give you 5. So 3 minus 1 give you 2. So this is the answer we get for the first term. So or this can be simplified to 3 root 3 over 2 plus 5 root over 2. So we pick the second term 2 and solve for the second term 2 as we do for the first term. So whatever we do for the first term, the same way we used to do to the second term. So here we pick the second term, 3 minus 1 over 2 plus root 3, and we find the conjugate set, and we solve for it separately. We find the conjugate term set, we multiply it by both numerator and the denominator. So pause here, let me draw your mind close to something here for you to clarify your understanding. This is 2 plus, you see the second term, the denominator is 2 plus root 3. So here is positive, so we change it here to negative. We change it here to negative, and here you realize that it is negative, so we change here to positive. So let's move ahead. So to find the conjugate set for the second term is 2 plus root 3. So the 2 minus root 3 give you, we multiply it by both numerator and the denominator here. So root 3 minus 1 times 2 minus root 3 over 2 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3 equals. So we expand this together. So 2 or times root 3 give you 2 root 3. Root 3 times negative root 3 give you negative root 3 square. So this is that is that. Negative 1 times 2 give you negative 2. Negative 1 times negative root 3 give you positive root 3. So we come to the denominator. 2 times 2 give you 4. 2 times minus root 3 give you minus root 3. Root 3 times 2 give you positive root 3, and root 3 times root 3 give you root 3 square. So here you have to be very careful with the subtraction and the addition sign. You need to be very careful. If you end up using it wrongly, you end up getting a wrong answer. Even though it is a negative and positive, it is not a figure. You have to be very careful using the positive and negative. This using it wrongly might change your whole answer, might change your whole solution. So you have to be very careful, and it's very, very, very important here. So you need to know. Those are the common mistakes if you get the answer wrong. So I hope my viewers will not do such a mistake. But if you are not sure, you have to go back and cross-check very careful that you are on point. So that is fine. So now we move ahead and expand. 2 root 3 minus root 3 square give you 3 minus 2 plus root 3 over 4 minus root 3, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 give you 0. So this is negative plus, and then give you 0. So minus root 3 square give you 3. So we add the like set here. 2 root 3 plus root 3 give you 3 root 3. 3 minus 2 give you minus 5. 4 minus 3 give you 1. So we go ahead and solve. Now this is the answer for the second term. So this is the answer for the second term. So we put or subtract the answers together. We put the answers together and subtract the answers together. We subtract the second term from the first term as the question give us. So this is our answer for the first term, and this is our answer for the second term. So into bracket, we bring the bracket here, 3 root 3 plus 5 over 2 minus 3 root 3 minus 5. So we expand the bracket. We expand the bracket here. So root 3 root 3 plus 5 over 2. So here negative times 3 root 3 give you minus 3 root 3 plus this negative 1 times the negative 5 here, so give you a positive 5. So we add the like set here. So 3 root 3 over 2 minus 3 root 3. So these are the like set. So we subtract, this is 3 root 3 over 2 minus 3 root 3. So this give you 3 root 3 over 2. 5 over 2 plus 5 give you 15 over 2. So this is your final answer. This can be written like in this form: 15 over 2 minus 3 root 3 over 2. That is your answer. Thank you for being with me. If you like this video, subscribe and watch out for more. If any suggestion, you add it to the comment section. Thank you for my lovely viewers and followers. God bless you all. God bless you all.